Alrighty people, we are going to be doing a round trip video between Concourses C and A and back. It's been a little over 2 months since I've done a video like this. So, just like last video, I'm going to be dedicating this video to Elevating Denver, Skyline HD TV, and Molly 23 Gaming 89. So if y'all are watching this, enjoy the video. And here we are. Oh, that train has the original Denver Airport logo on car 24. That's pretty cool. And yes, since car 24 is an even number, we're gonna have a female voice. You can see a train already at B. We're already probably have left B already. We're gonna go that way. There's another train in front of us.
The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all B gates.
Ooh, nice motor. You can see the purple flashing lights up ahead. And there's the ventilation shafts. Both seem to be on. Here's the crossover. You can see some lit up artwork up ahead, which is very cool. However, they are LED though. They are not their original halogen bulbs from when this first opened up. And yes, the B gate station has their signs modernized, but the tunnel ones are original. Here we are at B. A good majority of people get on at this station. I'm actually surprised there's not a lot of people on board. But now it's going to get crowded. You can actually see a third red light to the very far right. That means that the train cannot proceed. But now it just changed. That's weird. It didn't say the whole thing. Strange. You can see the flashing red lights. Now they are not flashing. These lights were burnt out for many years until they decided to replace them. Here we are at A.
Hold on, please. We are approaching the station for all A gates.
Here we are at A. We're gonna get off here and get back to Concourse C from here. So I'll see you guys back on the platform once this train comes to a stop, which is now. Well, here we are back at the Concourse A platform, and unfortunately I just missed the train back to C, so we'll have to wait a couple minutes. While we're waiting, look at this lobby. So, South End train is just leaving. And a good majority of the airlines serve at Concourse A. So, yep, that train just left. So now I'm going to pause the video until the Concourse A train bound for C is here. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty, guys, train is just about here. And we got one of the new cars. We got car number 32. Oh, there's a lot of people on the train, so I'm gonna let them off first. Hopefully we have somewhere to sit and get a view. Ouch. Pardon me, sorry. Sorry for the horrible angle. These new windows are very curvy.
It's a
The
Friday.
doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all B gates.
Should be moving. Wow, very smooth start.
Clearly she's feeling better because she's working now. It's 5:39.
It's quite bumpy.
Hold on, please. We are approaching the station for all C gates.
Here we are at B.
Exit here for all B gates. Please watch your step.
Since the center is free, I'm going to move the cameras to the center so you guys can get a better view of the train tracks in the tunnel.
Doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all C gates.
The audio from the speakers is quite impressive on these trains. Again, very smooth start. Again, I do like how these trains are compatible with these 30-year-old train tracks, which I think is pretty cool. They're more efficient and they run fast.
Hold on, please. We are approaching the station for all C gates. Exit here for all C gates.
Alright, here we are at
Please
C.
watch your step.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys.